Want to know how to back up your WhatsApp data as well in Google One? So Google One can also back up your WhatsApp data, so I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Google One application on your phone. So we are going to manage it by phone right here. So once you're on the main interface, it's super easy in order to back up your WhatsApp. So there is no direct backup enabling, but you can just simply enable this. So you can just simply head towards setup backup right here, and here you should be seeing various options popping up. Now right below photos and videos, here you should be seeing other GIS data. You can just simply select that and make sure you are turned it on. So make sure you also have WhatsApp installed and logged in your device as well currently, and it should back up easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.